Hello students, hope you all are fine. Welcome to Nelson English School's online education program 2021-22. Today we will study GK subject lesson number 8 means of transport. We will see explanation of this chapter. So let's see what's there for us in this chapter. Different types of means of transport. There are 4 types: land transport, animal transport, air transport, water transport. Let's see them one by one. The first is land transport. Vehicles which move on land are included in land transport. Land transport is used to travel short and long distances on land. We use vehicles like trucks, tractors, cars, buses, etc. These are the means of transports: scooter, truck, cycle rickshaw, horse cart, bicycle, train, car. So these all vehicles, they move on road and we can move from one place to another. Animals as transport. So students, when in olden time, when the technology was not so modern, there were not so many vehicles, the cars, scooter, etc. were there. That time people used to travel on animals from one place to another, and they used to use animals to carry their loads. Since early age, human beings are using animals as means of transport, and to carry loads, camels, yaks, mules, elephants, bulls are used to carry loads. You can see in the picture yak, bullock cart, camel, elephant, mule. Now students, in desert areas, camel are used as means of transport, and they also carry loads for the people who stay there. Elephants are used to carry heavy logs of woods or anything, and mules are used as like we do horse riding. Many people in mountain areas, they use mules. They are mixture of horse and donkey. Bullock cart is used in villages where people travel from one village to another. Yaks are seen in the mountains. Air transport. Some means of transport fly in air. Air transport is fastest but expensive than other means of transport. Example: aeroplane, helicopter, air balloon, glider. Students, now this means of transport is the fastest one. You can reach in short time anywhere. For example, if you want to reach Delhi, you can reach by air in just 1 hour. But if you go by train or car or by any other means of transport, you may take 2 days. So this is the fastest means of transport. Let's see the examples: aeroplane, hot air balloon, glider, helicopter. Water transport. Water transport, we can travel on sea or on ocean from one country to another. Goods are also sent through the cargo ships. So water transport takes so many days. It takes time, because from one country to another you need time when you are traveling on water, because many times it happens that cargo ships, they are the big ships. So cargo ships take time, and they are loaded with the goods that to be sent or are brought from any other country. So these are the examples: cruise, cargo ships, boat. Now we will see different modes of communication. Number 1 is one-to-one communication. Number 2, mass communication. Let's see them one by one. Means of mass communication. Mass communication means when you want to talk to more than one person, we use television, radio, newspaper, internet. Now students, many things are that we want to spread in our society, or we want to tell more than one person. So what we will do? We will give it into radio, or we will print it into newspaper, or we will give it on television. For example, nowadays this corona news, whatever the government is deciding, we get it through televisions, we get it through internet, we get it through newspapers. Nowadays radios are not that much in trend, but still people, those who are having, they do listen to it. So these all are the means of communication which we use to send or spread the messages. Now these are the examples. You can see the first picture is of internet, second one is television, third one is newspaper, fourth one is radio. Now we will see one-to-one communication. One-to-one communication means when two people talk through different modes of communication. Example, letters, telephone, mobile and computers. If you want to write your friend a letter, if you want to say something, what you will do? Either you will call him or her, or you will write a letter. You can even send an email. So this communication is one-to-one communication. You can see the examples. These are letters, that is the mobile phone, that's the laptop that you can write a mail, and here's the telephone. Thank you.